We are proud to present the next evolution in mobile marketing technology. Redeem is a patented mobile loyalty and couponing platform that enables you to run your own mobile loyalty program. Now I'm going to show you a short video presentation that shows you everything you need to know about Redeem. Are you sick of being offered yet another loyalty card? Are you tired of being asked to download yet another pointless app to save a little bit of money? So are we. That's why we created Redeem. With Redeem, you can have multiple loyalty cards for all your favourite businesses inside one easy-to-use app. Find a local discount deal or stamp your loyalty card simply by clicking Redeem at the till. Now you can access discount deals and earn loyalty rewards for all your favourite local stores. And Redeem is great for businesses too, growing profit and increasing customer retention, all for less than the cost of a new smartphone. Watch this presentation to learn everything you need to know about Redeem. In this short video presentation, we are going to show you the very latest mobile loyalty technology that has been used by some of the world's biggest companies. This new technology is being brought to you by AdPods, the world's leading proximity marketing company who have worked with many of the world's biggest brands. The new product we are going to show you is called Redeem. It is a mobile loyalty platform that can enable you to dramatically increase the repeat purchasing habits of your existing customers, whilst also helping you to acquire new customers. Until now, this kind of product has only been available to large corporates, but now we are bringing this system to the SME market for less than the cost of buying a new iPhone on an airtime contract. Before we go into the details of how Redeem works, let's just take a minute to look at what's happening in the business world today. Never at any point in history has small to medium business marketing been so fragmented. Are you sick of having someone call your business promising to get you #1 on Google? Have you wasted a fortune on SEO only to see Google change its algorithm and dump your site down the rankings? Have you, like many others, spent thousands on AdWords and other pay-per-click systems only to see minimal sales? Have you run a campaign on voucher sites like Groupon who have taken as much as 75% from your already half sale, only to spend months trying to fulfill these orders, working harder than ever and earning nothing? Social media, banner ads, coupon books, directory advertising, newspaper, radio, the list goes on and on. While you are throwing money everywhere, these companies are making billions at your expense. Now, what's key is to realise that all of these advertising systems are focused on acquiring new customers and not increasing loyalty from your existing customers. You have an existing customer base, and in the most simplistic terms, if you could get just 10% of your existing customers through loyalty rewards to spend 5 times more with you a year, then your yearly turnover has increased by a staggering 50%. And this is all done without extreme discounting and virtually zero outlay on all these expensive and often low return advertising systems. Currently, there are only 2 loyalty solutions available to you, and they are both deeply flawed through both the high cost of implementation and low customer adoption rates. To understand why, it is important to note that surveys have shown that the average person visits 94 businesses per month. This ranges from petrol stations to supermarkets, restaurants and bars and more. Think about this. How many times have you been offered a loyalty card and declined? If we visit on average 94 businesses a month, we simply cannot have a loyalty card for each in our wallet. Then for the businesses that have adopted a card-based loyalty system, they have found that it has required expensive setup fees, EPOS terminal and Visa machine upgrades, cloud server integration, transaction fees and a host of other technical and financial headaches. Likewise, with app-based loyalty systems, we don't want to clutter our smartphone with 94 different pointless apps just to try and save a little bit of money. Statistics show that most businesses who have had mobile phone apps made have spent thousands on app creation and marketing to only receive a few hundred downloads running at a loss or minimal return on investment. So let's take a look at the Redeem mobile loyalty system.
Okay, so what I want to do in this demonstration is to show you how the Redeem app works. So if we just fire up the app. Okay, so inside the app, as you can see, it's a really clean design, and I just want to go into one of the categories. So if we go into restaurants and takeaways, So we can see that there's an offer inside which says that we get a free coffee when we buy a sandwich. So what I'm going to do is save that to my wallet. As you can see, it's gone into my wallet and the offer's saved inside. So what we're going to do now to redeem the coupon is we're going to click on the redeem button and it's going to communicate direct to the pod and do the redemption. Okay, so it's now flashed green and it's saying transaction accepted. Congratulations, and it's now taken that out of my wallet. Now the other thing that I want to show you is loyalty. So if we click into the loyalty, we've got a loyalty card set up here. And it's a loyalty card where if I buy 5 coffees, I get 1 for free. It's exactly the same principle. Once we've bought our coffee, we just go up and we click collect. It beeps and goes green and says validation complete. And we can now see that there's an additional stamp on my loyalty card. Okay, so it really is that simple. An important point is that the pods are security coded so that they only work inside the store or venue that's issuing those coupons. So you'll only be able to redeem a coupon or a loyalty stamp inside the correct venue.
As you can see from the video, the Redeem app has a very simple and intuitive interface, and it works in conjunction with a Redeem pod. This is the only app in the world that uses a pod to close the loop of redemption. Not only does it look cool on your counter, but it gives you the most advanced mobile loyalty system in the market. The Redeem app enables you to issue coupons and deals, but unlike Groupon where they take up to 75% of the sale, we charge you nothing. We also allow you full control on the number of deals you issue, and you have the flexibility to regularly change the deal that you offer. By issuing deals to new customers, you will acquire new businesses, and by getting your existing customers to adopt Redeem as their loyalty platform, you will get more repeat business. Loyalty rewards like buy 5, get 1 free actually changes the shopper's behaviour and brings them back to you. It actually stops people from making impulsive purchases in other businesses, and they will go out of their way to come back to claim their loyalty reward. The Redeem app works on Android and iPhone, which covers over 90% of the smartphone market. Redeem is a fully managed service where you will have zero need to deal with anything technical other than to tell your local Redeem representative what deals you want to offer each week or month. We give you access to point of sale, and your local Redeem representative will help you launch Redeem in your store with on-site training and advice. Additional to this, you will be helping to solve an issue in your local community. Everyone in your local community is missing out on saving money because, as we have discussed, they simply cannot carry 94 loyalty cards with them. By adopting Redeem, you are part of the movement to allow everyone in your area to finally benefit from a simple and free system that can save them money. Be part of the solution, not the problem. This is, after all, a community app for both business and personal use. As a business, you could go and make your own app and loyalty schemes, but you will always encounter the expensive and often painful issues of getting the public to adopt your solution. With Redeem, we have turned this all on its head, because we solve a community issue, and in doing so it creates a fantastic ecosystem of everyone helping each other. Let me explain this point because it is incredibly powerful. As a small business, you could get an app made and perhaps get a few hundred downloads over time, whereas Redeem is a global app, and we have both small and big businesses promoting the app and adding users to the Redeem community. We also have larger businesses with huge footfall adopting the system. So as it shows in this graphic, you may only refer a few hundred people to Redeem, but you are not alone, and there are hundreds of smaller retailers and bigger franchises in your area, such as sports clubs, McDonald's restaurants, pizza chains, all with huge footfall that are also referring people into the Redeem community. So your business benefits by being part of a much larger growing community of users, giving you more exposure to potential new customers. We believe the time for insular selfish marketing systems has passed, and the power is in the group, not in the individual. This also has a direct impact on cost. Because the app is community-based, it makes it unbelievably cost-effective. The standard card-based loyalty schemes typically cost between £1,000 and £10,000 to set up. Likewise, Mobile Roadie, the industry leader in app creation, charge £100 per month for a very basic app, and a huge £534 a month for a pro app, and it does not do what the Redeem app does. And these prices are before you begin a marketing campaign to try to convince the public to join your programme. You can join Redeem for literally less than getting a new iPhone on an airtime contract, which makes this an absolute no-brainer to join. Because let's face it, you didn't need to have a boardroom meeting when you bought your last smartphone, did you? So all you need to do is fill in the form below this video and a Redeem representative will contact you to arrange a meeting to answer your questions and get you started on the system. Thanks for listening and we look forward to hearing from you.